Jordan, and welcome to another math lesson. Today, our math thinking job is I can decompose 6 using drawings and objects. Remember, decomposing is when we're breaking apart. We're going to break apart 6, and we're going to show us how we can do it when we subtract. Subtraction is when we're taking one number away. We can use an X to cross out the object that is being taken away. We've learned about the minus sign. This is Linus the minus. He is always taking away. You're always going to see less of a number when you see a minus sign. You have 5 dots. Linus takes 2 away. You have 3 left over. Let's do some practice of decomposing 6 while subtracting.
Today we're going to use our cubes and we are going to be decomposing 6. So let's start with this stick of cubes. Let's count the number of cubes in my stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6, because we are decomposing the number 6 today. We're going to find different ways we can break apart 6 and show how we are subtracting, taking away those cubes. So when we use cubes, we can show subtraction by breaking our cubes apart. So first, we're going to show how we can break them apart, and then we will write them down and practice crossing out. So I just took my 6 cubes and broke them apart. So now I need to think of a number sentence that I can say of what I did. So I will say 6 take away 2 equals 4. 6 take away 2 equals 4. Now, let's draw a picture. We've used our objects. Now let's put it in a picture. I'm going to draw a 6 stick. A 6 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So now that I've drawn the picture, I'm going to move my cubes up there. And let's show the exact same thing we just did with the cubes. When we use cubes, we can pick them up and we can break them apart and we can take away those 2 and see 4. When we're doing it just on our paper or our dry erase board, what can we do to show when something's taken away? Right, we can cross out. So remember, I had 6, I took 2 away. So we're going to cross out 2. We're going to cross out 2 to show the 2 we took away. We said our number sentence using our words, 6 take away 2 equals 4. Now, let's use our signs, minus and equal, to write a number sentence. So here we go. We started with 6 minus, we took away 2, and we have how many left? 4. We've shown 6 take away 2 equals 4 by using our cubes, by drawing a picture, and writing our number sentence. Now, let's bring in our number bond. Remember our number bond from addition? We can use a number bond while we are subtracting as well. So here we go. We start with 6. 6 is our whole. That's how many we're starting with all together. And we broke apart 2. We took away 2. So 2 is one of our parts. Remember, a number bond has a whole and 2 parts. We're going to put 2 here, and I'm going to immediately cross that out. I'm crossing it out because we took the 2 away. And then what we have left over is 4. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. All right, let's try another one. I put my cubes away as we learned another way to show 6 this year with our 5 group. Does anyone remember how we could draw 6 the 5 group way? Right, we could use dots. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 dots. 5 group, we have 5 in one row, and then we go down to the next row. We're going to use our dice. I don't have a dice to roll, so I'm just going to use this dice. We're going to roll this dice, and that's going to tell us how many we're going to take away. All right, here we go. We're going to take away 3. So I'm going to cross out 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So how would we write our number sentence to match our dots? Right. We started with 6 minus, because we're taking away, we crossed out 3 equal, we have 3 left. All right. Let's bring in our number bond and fill in our number bond. Remember, our number sentence was 6 minus 3 equals 3. What number are we going to start with? 6. 6 is going to go in this hole. We took away 3. We're going to write 3, and we're going to immediately cross that out. We're crossing it out because that's what we took away. And then we have 3 left. All right. Let's do some more practice of decomposing 6.
Let's do some more practice. I have 6 hats. I want to cross out 1 hat. I'm crossing out 1 hat, which means 1 hat is going away. I have 6 hats. Looking at my number sentence, I'm starting with 6. 1 is going away. We cross it out, and now we have 5 left. Let's bring our number bond into this problem. We have 6, which is our whole. We are taking away 1. I'm going to write 1 here, and then I'm going to cross it out to show that that's the one we're taking away. That means 5 are left over. If we were to go back and add, we would know our 2 parts. This is how we fill in a number bond for subtraction. We're going to use that cross out strategy to show us what part is being taken away. Now you're going to do this with me. I'm going to tell you how many snowflakes we're going to cross out, and then your teacher's going to pause the video, and you guys are going to match this number bond to the number sentence and the snowflakes. Cross out 2 snowflakes. I'm going to cross out 2 snowflakes. My number sentence says 6 minus 2 equals 4. My number sentence matches my snowflakes. Now try matching my number bond to my snowflakes. Okay. We know that our whole is 6. Remember, the circle that represents the whole is the 2 lines. Those 2 lines can be thought of as the equal sign. Now we're going to start with the number that's being taken away, which is 2. I'm going to quickly cross that out to tell me that that's the number that is going away. 2 is one of our parts, but it's being taken away. What is left over? 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Okay, now we're going to draw 6 circles in a 5 group, take 2 circles away, and then fill in our number bond and number sentence. So I'm going to draw my circles, and then your teacher's going to pause the video. You might draw the circles too and complete the number sentence and number bond. So in a 5 group, That means I need to make sure that I have it in a row, in a line. I have 5. A 5 group means I have 5 in a line, and then I'm going to go to my next line. Now I'm going to cross out 2. 1, 2. All right, go ahead and fill in the number sentence in number bond to match the story. When we're subtracting, we always start with the whole. So we're going to start with 6. As we're breaking apart 6, we see that 2 were taken away. We crossed out 2. Remember, that second number in a subtraction sentence is what we're taking away. 6 minus 2. I have 4 left over. Now let's match our number bond. There's my whole, 6. I take away 2. I'm going to write 2 and immediately cross that out. And my leftover is 4. To date in CSAR, you're going to continue this work of crossing out, filling in number bonds, and filling in number sentences. Until next time, bye, Kipsters.